What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a vegan granola that is no bake. It's very easy to make, so make sure to stick around for the end because it's very nutritious, and I did a full macro and micro breakdown so you can see all the vitamins and minerals. And if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's get into the kitchen. All right, guys, so for this recipe, you're gonna need 3/4 cups of rolled oats, a 1/3 cup of ground flax, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, and a 1/4 cup of goji berries. Mix it all up and then get your wet ingredients ready, and you're gonna use 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Mix it all up until it looks like this, and then you're gonna wanna transfer it over to the dry ingredients. Mix it all up and you should start seeing the granola clusters forming. That's how it should look. And then you're gonna wanna transfer it to some parchment paper on a baking sheet and then let it sit in the freezer for 25 minutes. So let's take a look at these macros and micros. So we almost got about 1,600 calories. You can see right there, it's 1,581 calories, 56 grams of protein, 127.8 grams of carbs, and 103 grams of fat. And if you look at the B vitamins, they are looking pretty good. The vitamin A is looking pretty good as well. Not a lot of vitamin C, but that's all right. We got a lot of vitamin E in this granola. And if you look at those minerals, that's pretty amazing. Look at the copper, the iron, the magnesium, the manganese, the phosphorus. Got 71% of your daily selenium and 99% of your daily zinc, which is pretty good. And over to the amino acids, those are some really good ratios. And you got to keep in mind, this is just granola. This is not going to be the only meal you eat in the day, but as you can see, it's a very nutritious granola. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. Was it pretty easy to follow along? Did you guys like the voiceover over the recipe? I found that that's easier to do it that way, but I would love to hear your guys' feedback, so let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.